In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an NSF or bounce check in QuickBooks. If a customer's payment is returned by the bank, it's important to record it properly so your accounts stay accurate and the customer's balance is reopened correctly. In QuickBooks, the goal is to reverse the original payment in a clean way and connect everything back to the customer record. To get started, open QuickBooks. Once you're in, go to the plus new button. From the list of available transaction types, select Receive Payment. This will take you to the Customer Payment area, where you can locate the payment that was originally recorded before the check bounced. Next, open the customer payment associated with the returned check. Take a moment here to confirm that you're looking at the correct transaction amount and customer, since accuracy matters when you're reversing a payment. After that, create an expense or check transaction for the amount of the returned payment. This step is used to reflect the money leaving your bank account again, because the payment was not successfully processed. When you create that transaction, make sure to choose the bank account where the NSF transaction actually occurred. This helps keep your bank register aligned with what happened at the bank. For the category or account on that transaction, assign it to accounts receivable, and then select the correct customer. This is the key part that puts the amount back onto the customer's account, so QuickBooks knows the payment has effectively been reversed. Once everything looks correct, save the transaction. Now that the reversal has been entered, go back to Plus New and select Receive Payment again. This second Receive Payment window is where you'll link the bounce check transaction to the customer's outstanding invoice or balance. In other words, you're matching the reversal, so the customer once again shows as owing the money. Carefully apply the bounce check transaction to the customer's outstanding invoice. Double-check the amounts before finishing, especially if the customer has multiple open invoices or previous payments on file. This helps prevent the wrong balance from being adjusted. When everything is applied correctly, save and close. At this point, the bounce check has been entered, the bank activity has been reflected, and the customer's receivable should now show the unpaid amount again. That's the full process for entering an NSF or bounce check in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching.